In this lesson, we are going to learn about the templating. So what we will do is we will work smartly on the templates that we already have and then make some customizations. So although it will take you some time to develop all these templates, but in future, you can smartly use that templates for multiple designs that you create frequently for your clients or for your business. Now, for example, there is a template that you will use over and over again, but with different customizations. How can you do that? If I go back to my home page and let's see if I create recipe, let's say this recipe card. So in this way, let's say if I choose a template that has multiple photos involved with it, what I can do is I can create multiple variants of the same template by creating a copy of it. Just click on this plus sign and it will create the copy. You can easily customize that by changing the color scheme. For example, this one right here. And you can make some customizations in the images as well. Let's say that sometimes you need a template for the client which has only 2 images involved, and sometimes you need 4, sometimes you need 6. So you will create some multiple variants of that thing. For example, I sometimes need it like this without text, and sometimes I need 4 images. So sometimes with a different color. So the benefit of creating this multiple templates, you can remove these photos as well, is that when you need a quick customization and just download that image, it will provide you different variants to choose from. You don't have to customize it every time. If you have this 4 images, this 2 images customization, 6 images customization with different colors. So you will choose whatever you like in here. You will just fit in your images. For example, if I have different images right here, I'll just fit my images like this. So for example, if I want to print out quickly this variant of the template, I can just quickly put my images in here from the upload section if you already have the elements. Otherwise, you can just go to the stock photos and let's write food here. And for example, this one is my first image and second one is, let's say, this one. So I can quickly print now. I have how many different variants? 3 different variants with different colors, with different customizations in here. And whatever I want to print, I'll click on share now and click on download, and you can choose the page. You don't need to download all of these. You will just choose the page in here. I will uncheck all of these and I'll select only, let's say page 2. Done. The suggested type most of the times is JPEG, but we will discuss all the other templates in detail as well. So let's download and let's save it on desktop. And once we open it, you will see that this is only one template readily available for the download. So this will save you a lot of time. You must create all the frequently used templates, different variants of it with different colors, with different customizations, so that you can just quickly choose that particular template that you want for now, and then quickly work further on marketing or printing, whatever you want to do with this template. So that's it. This is how you can quickly use templating idea to save you time.